The number of wildfires across Canada has already topped more than 1,000 as of May 15th. One of the biggest is Patrick Creek, almost 50,000 hectares, a holdover from last year's catastrophic wildfire season.
Due to higher temperatures and persistent drought through from last year, many of these holdover fires were not put out the way that they normally are.
Those holdovers are a smoky start to a crisis that last year choked the air for more Canadians than ever before.
You really can't look at wildfire without also looking at smoke and the impact on air quality that comes from the emissions that come. And it ends up impacting a much wider area of individuals and oftentimes denser populations of people.
Canada's wildfires consumed 18 million hectares last year. From May to September, the smoke and the toxic materials in it spread across Canada and into the United States and all the way to Europe. Now, here are the annual carbon emissions from Canadian wildfires over 20 years to 2022. And here's the astounding cumulative total just last year. And as of April 30th this year, most of Canada is already abnormally dry, huge areas with moderate drought. There is severe, extreme, and exceptional drought in parts of the West where the wildfires are already burning. The fire near Fort Nelson, BC is a holdover from last year, and the smoke is already spreading to Alberta.
We don't have total control over the wildfires, of course, that are happening outside of Alberta. It can travel long, long distances, and it can come from anywhere else in the country.
The author of Fire Weather has researched the impact of wildfires and believes Canadians must prepare for more fires and extended periods with unhealthy smoke.
There is a heightened awareness and a really deep concern of what might happen in their communities. They've seen enough now.
Faraway fires may not affect that many Canadians, but persistent smoke will.
Smoke, in a way, is a very potent messenger. It really does convey the urgency and the universality of the dilemma that's facing us now around our changing climate.
And the dilemma of 2024's wildfire season? It's just getting started. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.